Exploring EverQuest game files and found S3D archives, these contain the 3D world data that built one of the most groundbreaking MMORPGs in gaming history. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you extract and explore these legendary game assets. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading S3D file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. S3D files are game archive files from EverQuest, containing package zone geometry textures, character models, and environmental assets. They store the 3D world data that defines EverQuest's iconic Norrath zones, including terrain meshes, object placements, and texture maps for each game area. EverQuest S3D archive files use a PFS pack file structure with a directory table storing named file entries and compressed data blocks. The archive contains WLD world definition files, BMP and DDS textures, and zone mesh data organized by geographic region and asset type. The core professional tool for handling the S3D format is EverQuest from Daybreak Game Company. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. We need to see which program correctly links to the file. Right-click the S3D file and hit Open With. Test EverQuest first. If it is unavailable, choose another application. The solution is often hidden in plain sight. When your S3D file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, extracting with EQ tools. Download ECarchive or S3D Spy and open the S3D file to browse its contents. The extraction tool displays the file manifest showing all packaged assets. Extract individual textures, models, or the complete archive to a directory for viewing in external applications. Next, viewing zone geometry. Use EQ Zone Viewer or import extracted WLD world files into specialized EverQuest model viewers. The viewer renders zone geometry with textures applied, showing the 3D environment as it appears in-game. Navigate the virtual space to explore architectural details and terrain features. Finally, modding EverQuest content. Extract textures from S3D archives, edit them in an image editor, and repackage the modified files back into the S3D format using EQ archive tools. Create custom zone textures, character skins, or environmental modifications following the EverQuest modding community guidelines for proper asset formatting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.